What is good, everybody? You already know what it is. It's your boy, man. Appreciate y'all checking me out and rocking with me and supporting the channel and all that good stuff. You already know, man. So today, you already see what it is. Got a new first time buy, at least from this store, because they have a lot of them. This is Pro Image, and this is Pro Image in Philadelphia. They have the regular Pro Image that I guess comes from their warehouses. But one thing, if you're not familiar with Pro Image, they have stores everywhere. They even have one out here where I am. I think it's in Ontario Mills. This one here that I ordered from is in Philadelphia. Quick story on them. It's kind of crazy. A lot of the individual stores come up with their own individual styles and own individual drops that I've noticed. I kind of heard through the grapevine that might be changing. I'm not sure if they're going to just like pool their resources and everybody releases the same thing. And I don't know. But nothing wrong with differentiality. I like that. You know, each store, different areas have different things and all that for different people and everything. I mean, I think that's kind of dope. One thing that they do have when they do have drops, of course, they have it in store and they have it to where you can DM their Instagram account and they will actually send you an invoice for the hats that you want, which I think that's really dope, especially for people that's, because of course I'm not in Philadelphia, but I think that's dope just to, you know, be able to let some of the masses get their hands on the hats if you, of course, DM them in time, which is, I believe, the DMs open at 1, and I think the releases open like a couple hours earlier, like at 10, I guess, when the store opens. I think, don't quote me on that, but I think that's how it goes. So, again, I got 2 from their drop they just had. Funny thing is, when you guys are watching this, I'm actually filming this on a Wednesday because I will be out of town. Like I told y'all, you already know me, man. Got one of them staycations coming up, so I will be going to Vegas. I'll be recording this up on Wednesday, so this will probably be going up for you guys on Saturday where I'm already out there. So yeah, you'll be checking us out then, but you know, I keep it a buck with y'all, let y'all know how this is working. So with that being said, we're gonna jump into this right here, man. We got Pro Image Philadelphia, their latest collection drop from them, which is the Sky collection. So stay tuned. They look dope in the pictures, but you already know, man, we're gonna jump into these things in hand, dive deep into them and see what they really looking like. So stay tuned. We're about to bust this open. We're about to get into it, man. So about to give y'all that good intro. Stay tuned. Like I said, man, we're going to jump right into this because I'm really excited to see how this collection came from them. Like I said, I bought from Pro Image before, but it was like, I guess the actual website store wasn't actually just like a store in the city. So this one is actually from the Pro Image in Philadelphia, like I stated. And right off the top, you see they put it in, I guess, one of their bags. It says fan treasures, and Sports Depot, and it has Pro Image down there. I'm assuming these are all subsidiaries or conglomerates under the store, under the same little flat thing, kind of like how you have Fanatics and Lids. I'm guessing that's what that is. And we're going to get into the first one, and I'm already loving what I'm seeing. I like the different little technique in it. This is the Sky collection. We got the Atlanta Braves version. Like I said, the thing that made me pick this, one thing you should know about me, if I haven't said it in my videos before, I'm a big Carolina blue, sky blue fan. You know, it's one of my favorite colors. And like I said, I definitely wanted to grab this one with this side patch. It's definitely one of my favorite Atlanta side patches. Besides when they used this one, they used, the Error 2021 All-Star patch. I like that one. I like when they use the 99 patch on the Braves hats. So this is one of my favorite side patches, which made me get it because the colorway itself had already drawn me in. And one thing about it that I really was excited about, I wanted to see how it was going to play off of the purple. You know what I mean? At least I'm calling it purple. It looks purple to me. Got the purple button on top. And this is what really killed me that I thought wasn't going to work with it. When I got it, I was kind of on the fence about it. But it plays off, it works with the colors. All of the colors work in this kind of function, down to, you see they got a little bit of the trimming on the side patch. They don't have it on the main logo, but just on the UV. So what they want to give you is that kind of, you see when I give you that silhouette holder, they got it with the UV. They got it on the outline on the side patch. They got the white guts in here with the white sweatband. I'm definitely a fan of that because you really didn't want to go dark on this type of thing. And that's the one thing, like I said, I love about the game. Now they're starting to equate everything. Now that the big focus is on under visors, they're doing the same thing with the sweatband. they want to make the sweatband go with the hat as a whole, because on this one you really didn't want to throw a black sweatband on it. You know what I mean? It would have kind of killed the vibe on it being such a darker color when all of these colors are such more profound and brighter colors, if that makes sense. You know what I'm saying? Because you got the purple, you got the sky blue, which is what I'm going with, because I'm assuming since they call it the sky collection, they're going to go with the sky blue. Of course, not Carolina blue. But like I said, with this under, a lot of these Vote unders are getting popular too, which I'm not really mad at, especially because of summertime. We're just now really hitting the door on summertime. So it kind of makes sense. You want to go bright. You don't want to go dark, like with the khakis, your browns, and that kind of colors, because those are more your winter colors when you're bundled up, i.e. with your Timberlands and all that kind of thing. So I definitely get it going with this one in more of a brighter colorway. So like I said, seeing this in hand definitely makes me feel good about the purchase, because I didn't know how it was going to work. If you know me, you watched all my videos, you know how I am and you know where I stand when it comes to like bright colors and that nature. I'm not really a bright color kind of guy. The UV, it gives you that standoutish look, but not really worried about it, because it is the UV. It's the main crown and the brim I'm worried about. People still do see your UVs, of course. People see you take your pictures and all that kind of thing, but it's not hitting you that pronounced like if this was the whole crown color, if you get my drift, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, it does, you know, it does its duty as far as the colors. You see the New Era symbol right there, done in the purple. Not mad at that. You might as well make it stand out. You could have easily took the easy way out with the tonal, but I like that they did make it the purple. Got the Batterman. It's not a flat Batterman. It's your OG Batterman. You know what I'm saying? You got the yellow in there. You got the sky blue in there, and it is trimmed in the purple. So they did make sure they used all of the colors on this thing as far as the colors they wanted to use to make you like, hey, this is the, you know what I mean? And I got what they were doing, because like I said, this is the sky collection. So you got the sky color with the blue, and I'm assuming this will be the sun in its background, you know what I'm saying? So I like that. A lot of people are doing this a lot with their collections. And my thing, I don't have a problem with all these naming of collections, but if you're gonna go that route, make sure you go that extra mile, and I don't mind seeing that, which a lot of companies are doing now. So shout out to Pro Image for that, you know what I mean? If you're gonna go in, you might as well go all in. And I did pick up two, and this one here, I don't know which one I say is the better one. I will probably give this one the nudge, and this is the Cincinnati Reds version. Now me, I know most people won't say that. I am a big fan when they use the bigger C on the hats. It just fills up more space to me, and I like it. You know what I mean? It's plain, but it's something about it. I like it. But on the side of that, you got a dope side patch with the running red, almost kind of like him up here on the hat. You know what I'm saying? I do like when they use that one, you know, a lot of times, because you don't see it too often. You see it some places, but not often. He is draped out in all of the purple. They don't really have any of the Vote coloring on that one, so you know what I mean? But there's none of it really on the main logo either. Got the purple on the New Era. So I guess with this one, they just went straight up Vote on the bottom, which I didn't have a problem with, because I did kind of see, you know, not at this kind of angle, but I did see the pictures where, you know, of course you can see what the side patches and everything look like, so you know what you're getting into on your purchase. But I got what I looked for when I saw the picture. You know what I'm saying? I mean, it still works. You would think they would have a little bit of play over there. How you see you still got a little bit of Vote on the side patch. They probably could have did a little something here, but I'm okay with them not, if that makes sense. You know what I'm saying? Because, I mean, if you can't make it work by doing it, you know, in your mock-ups and you look at it, then I'm fine with that if you don't have to throw it there. Because, like I said, you still got the UV for the little sun rays, you know what I'm saying, or the sun itself, you know what I mean, as far as it being Vote, taking care of what you're trying to do. So I'm not mad at that. So you get that silhouette, got the white sweatband under, dope side patch. Of course, like I said, you got your OG Batterman on there. So you know what? I'm not mad at the collection, man. I'm here for it. And like I said, I'm not a big guy as far as I'm a big guy, but I'm not a big guy when it comes to bright colors like with these Vote bottoms. But for the most part, very happy with the purchases. You know what I'm saying? These are going to get some run, like I said, especially summertime. Now, will they make it with me this trip? Probably not, because I'm just giving it to y'all. And like I said, I'll be gone by the time that jumps off. So for the most part, getting this out the way, you know, I'm happy with the purchase. I'm definitely happy with the purchase, getting it out of the way. You know what I'm saying? I gotta admit, I had a little butterfly like, oh, I done bought another Vote UV and all that kind of thing. And yeah, it worked out. You know what I'm saying? I'm glad I got it with colors that work. And like I said, the one thing that put me over was the sky blue. So I'm definitely glad I pulled the trigger on these for this collection from them. Shout out to them. Like I said, if you're going to do something, never do it half-ass. You know what I'm saying? Go all the way in it. I like how they did the little sky notion with the little sun rays at the bottom for the UVs. Definitely here for it. You know what I'm saying? So with the quick recap, you already see, you got your Atlanta, your all-star patch on there. You got your Cincinnati Reds with your running red on the side. And that's the pickers, man, out here from Pro Image in Philadelphia. Shout out to them. And like I said, don't be afraid to hit them up in the DMs. For the most part, they get right back to you. The service was amazing. It was quick. It was fast. They shot me a picture of it boxed up with the address and everything to make sure everything was right. I mean, they did their thing, man. Would I go back? Definitely. If they have something I'm looking for, you know, with a new drop or something like that, absolutely I would. I would have no problem doing that. So definitely, if you're not out in Philly, hit them up in their DMs, man, on Instagram, you know what I'm saying, at Pro Image Philly, I think it is. Hey, if you want to drop, like I said, the drop time, I think differs in store, but I know they open up their DMs at 1 o'clock. So definitely don't be afraid to hit them because, like I said, they respond to you. If they have what you're looking for in your size, they will hook you up. So definitely shout out to them. My transaction with them was flawless. I can't even complain. Shipping was on point, quick, fast. I want to say at the most 3 days. 3 days. And I don't even want to say 3, maybe 4. I think it was like 3 days personally from here. So that's Philly to Cali. So yeah, definitely shout out to them. They did their thing. So that's all I got for y'all, man. Like I said, I'm going to jump up out of here. By the time y'all see this, I'll already be out of town. Definitely let me know in the comments if you picked up from them. If you haven't picked up from them, definitely give me a holler because they are, you know what I'm saying, they're legit. They're good to go. They with it. You know what I'm saying? So definitely hop in that DMs if you see something they got. Follow them on Instagram. Do your thing, man, because as you see, they got that action over there. They definitely got that action. So I'm going to get up out of here. It's your boy, man. Like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Even if you don't, you already know, man. I appreciate you rocking with me. It's your boy. I'm going to hop up out of here. Got to finish packing. So I'm gone.